Hello, my name is Maria del Pilar, and I will talk about different architectural features present here in Second Life. Color is one of the most important features of a building. Create different sensations by using different colors, whether strong or opaque. Second Life colors are in assonance with the environments in which is located. In the case of medieval and Victorian houses, are more rustic colors, brown, green, gray, related by the use of the wood, stone, and vegetation, are the most highlighted. In the case of Greece, classical buildings are white, marble characteristic of Greek culture. The area of Morocco is characterized more by a light brown, which is also similar to the sandy deserts of these islands. However, in most modern buildings we found that colors play with each other, using different combinations and contrasts. The white has become an icon, and mixed with strong tones furniture allows for more highlights. Also, the use of black and gray becomes more common. Another feature is also using dark tones, giving it a serious style to the works. In urban, as in the case we see the use of bright colors like green, contrasting with environments creating a major focus. The natural and artificial light can be manipulated in the design to identify specific sites and giving them a special character. The natural light gives us sensations impossible to get with other elements. Sunlight has the power to impart life and freshness to a space. Knowing how to orient a building will allow us to make the most of the advantages and benefits that provides light throughout the day. In Second Life, we can see the skylight varies according to the cycles of the day and night. Because these are variations, we can experience various changes in the perception of a place. In these pictures, we can see the change in the tone of the natural light in the day. Will be white in the morning and will be red in the evening, until it is absent at night. The car dealer is a reference in the use of light to create nice effects in a site. The window on the top of the second floor walls allows to skylight entering the rooms, which together with the white light lamps in the ceiling creates a feeling of spaciousness and freedom, necessary in an exhibition center like this. In Second Life, when we talk about texture, it's easy to identify the different scenarios presented. In this case, we speak of visual texture because it is that we perceive by sight and by touch. Although we cannot touch, if we can follow the detailed image and assume of broad, smooth, velvet, etc. In the scenario selected, we can see the texture that gives us the stone, wood, and steel as main components, but the texture of the concrete walls or painting are in different media for creating an environment harmony because there is a relationship between context and materiality. Also, the use of plant can revive the textures as it is a natural element against other elements. The textures give life to a place, give it three-dimensionality and movement. Here is important.
Ring is an attribute of any object that is marked by systematic recurrence of elements, having recognizable relationships between them. In architecture, much of the effects of a building will depend on the harmony, the simplicity, and the power of these rhythmical relationships. In Second Life, there in the buildings the presence of ring in the different facades and spaces. In the image of Greece, we see the columns of the Greek temples are repeated every so often. This is called repetition of shapes. This type of ring is characterized by the repetition of windows, doors, columns, and arches. In this sense of Morocco, we see that the ring is evident mainly through the arches, and in older homes from the style facades that look through tectonics and the arrangement of windows. Also, in more modern buildings, the layout of the elements on the facade is central to defining, creating its own rhythm. Circulation is a fundamental issue in any type of building, since it is allowing me to make connections with different areas and also with the indoor-outdoor. In Second Life allows you to live more deeply the circulation and travels through the different places that will present it. The tour lets you to see different urban spaces and buildings go inside. In the atmosphere of Victorian houses, the walkways are well marked and take you to specific addresses. In the internal space of the house is quickly accessed different levels. The same happening in the buildings of the other places. Also, the stairs are well defined in the case of the mosque. We see that even there is a rhythm of the movement every so often, a leader. Second Life is a virtual platform that can be focused to a large number of uses. If we see from the architectural point of view, we see that comes with realistic details and textures to the buildings, giving a greater sense and also allowing to the user to create comfort and that is between what is authentic. It is a different and interesting way of understanding architecture.